Hello. Now we are going to see how we can schedule a meeting using Google Meet. And for that, I'm going to open my mailbox. So my mailbox is open now. And there I'm going to this additional Google applications and I'm locating calendar. So I select calendar from here. So in calendar, we can decide on the date on which we want to schedule the meeting. So I'm going to schedule it for today itself. Then we decide on the timing. So if you want to start it from 9, you just click here. So add a title. So I'm adding a title. Then you decide on the date here. Here also we can select the date and from which time to which time. So if I want to start at 9:15, 9:15 to 9:30 or 10:45, it's okay. So you decide the starting time and the ending time. So if it is 9:45, it is 30 minutes meeting. And if you want to add some guests, so if you are adding some guests, they will also have some privileges at the time of creation of this event itself. If you add some guests, so you can just by clicking here, you can add the email IDs of the guests so that they will also have some privileges in this meeting. So if you want, you can add guests. And then if you are, so we are only working with calendar. So just like any other event we are working. So if you want to make it a Google meeting, we will have to click here. So I'm clicking here, add Google meeting. So we have added this. And if you want to make it a Zoom meeting here itself, we can make it a Zoom meeting also. So this is how we are scheduling this. I have scheduled this. And now this is being added as a Google Meet. And before we go for this meeting, I will be introducing how we can add attendance, because in Google meeting, by default, we don't have a provision for taking attendance. And as per the government regulations and all, we need to maintain the attendance of the online sessions we take. And if we want to maintain the attendance, then we need to search for you search for attendance extension for Google Meet. So we are adding an extension, attendance extension to Google Meet. So we can add this extension so that we will have additional options for taking attendance. So you search for attendance extension for Google Meet, and we will be getting an option, Google Meet attendance, Google Chrome. You select this, and when we select this, we will come to another option where we will have this add to Chrome. So Google Meet attendance add to Chrome. So this facility is added to our Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. So this facility will not be available with the other browsers. So this will be available if and only if you are using the Chrome browser. So this is an extension added to our Chrome browser. So you have to click on this add to Chrome. So this add extension, now we are adding an extension to Google Meet. So in a similar way, there are many other extensions which can be added to Google Meet. If you want to see more participants in a meeting, you can add the node extension. And if you want to add some hand raising kind of extension facilities, we can add the extension. So depending upon our requirement, we can add more and more extension to our Google Meet, and it will be having more functionalities. Now I am going to Google Calendar. This is my meeting. And so if you click here, join with Google Meet, I can join here. Or this option, and in the other way also, if you are starting a meeting, if you get, this is the unique identification for our Google Meet. So if you select this, copy this, and if you share it among your participants, they can also join. So this is how we can join people by using WhatsApp. If you copy this, and somehow if we can share it using WhatsApp or text messages, if people are using this unique URL for joining Google Meet, they will be joining our Meet. So this meeting ID is also very important, so that by using this, people can join into our meeting. So I am going to join Google Meet, and so I am just joining now. So only one person has joined. And if I want to add new participants, either we need to share that unique ID with our participants, or we can add more people here. So I can invite people like this. So I'm just sending mail, and we will wait for people to join. Now people have joined into the meeting, and we have added the attendance extension to our Google Meet. And if you have not added the Google Meet attendance extension to Google Meet, you may not be seeing this tick mark. And this tick mark is for attendance. And once we if you click on this, you can see the attendance window. And one more participant has joined. If you click here, automatically this attendance will be saved and it will be downloaded into our computer. Now you see the attendance is saved and it is downloaded into a computer, and this file will have all information like when the participant joined, how long they stayed in the Google Meet, whether they left in between, all information we can get. And this is how we take attendance in Google Meet. And also, so in this video, I have explained how you can schedule a meeting, how you can invite people by using a link, how you can invite people from, always you can invite people by using this option, add people. And also when you create this, you will be getting a unique ID of this meeting. By using that, you can invite people. You can share it either by email or by WhatsApp. So this is how we schedule